room 158, Premium Garden King Room at Kimpton Surfcomber Inn. You are right down from the social club, which you can't really see that well, but you can hear it. They're having a Barbie themed brunch today, and it's small. Just came in. Well, let me look to the right first. To the right is a closet with our luggage in there and another little surprise. And that surprise is my husband, who's not coming out right now. We have some treats and goodies here. A lot of good treats and goodies. We have a menu. We have a nice bucket with wine glasses. This is the Kimpton Surfcomber Inn in Miami Beach or South Beach. And let me turn on the light to help out a little bit. Desk, mirror, trash, front door, closet that my husband's hiding in and being really quiet. King bed, hadn't even sat on it yet. This is IHG. All right. Room is cozy. Nice size TV, about a 65-inch, I would say. Nice set of drawers. And over here we have a bunch of goodies. And a nice full-length mirror over there. And then in here, we have our cute little bathroom. It's like a boutique hotel. It reminds me a little bit of the Postcard Inn in St. Pete Beach. A little bitty window. There we go. And here is our premium garden view. And it is, the pool is right out there. And so is the beach. So if you get a premium garden view or a garden view, this is what you're looking at. All right, real quick little tour of the Kimpton Surfcomber Beach Hotel. Lord, we are like the worst.